So Coleman, you know what I hate about Big IQ?
Where do I begin?
You think you hate it now? Wait till you use it. No, seriously. So, um, big complaint that I've seen from customers and frankly from myself was Big IQ is awesome and it's great if you're starting from scratch. Um, but if you have an existing deployment, things aren't quite as simple. So Jeff, you had this conversation with your customer recently, and I think I would like you to tell us all about it.
Okay, thanks, Bill. Yeah, so I've had with the latest capabilities that come out in 7.1, I went and spoke with my customer on several occasions. And in previous versions, the Big IQ 7.1, a customer could only get HTTP statistics in an application template by using templates. So for my customer that has 1,000 virtual servers spread over multiple data centers, that just wasn't feasible because they would have to take a ton of different outages, and they just didn't have the time to do all that. So with the new capability in Big IQ 7.1, we are able to do legacy, what we call legacy configuration. So we're able to select those and import those into an application template. They're also called brownfield configurations. So we can bring that into an application template and it'll give them the same statistics that they have same as if they used a regular template, like an AS3 template that's on Big IQ. So now they can get the same exact statistics. It's just with a brownfield or a legacy configuration. So for my customer, I showed them multiple demos on this. They actually started implementing it once Big IQ 7.1 come out, which was about a month and a half ago. They hurried up and downloaded it and tested it, and then took it out to their application owners. And they tested it on 2 or 3 app owners, and the app owners absolutely loved it. So they're like, all right, this is great. Because before they were always kind of, I guess, stovepipe. So they had their own specific teams and they didn't want to give access to, the other teams. So now they're able to give access to the application owners through Big IQ. They're able to get visibility into their applications that they never had before. So for my customer, this capability has been a complete game changer.
I'm still hung up on the fact that you said your customer literally has thousands of data centers.
Oh, sorry. I meant thousands of virtual servers in many different data centers.
That's all right. I mean, it is the government, so you never know, right?
I mean, could be. I mean,
they're all clouds now. Aren't you? That's what you're supposed to say. Nothing in a data center anymore. It's a wiring closet or a cloud.
They're all private.
That's awesome. I mean, it's funny. I saw that in the release notes, and to be honest, I'll admit I wasn't expecting that much out of it. But then to find out that, holy crap, it does actually work the way we say it does. It's always good to see that. So that's pretty cool. You running any gotchas or anything like that with it, or was it pretty smooth?
No, so far it's been pretty smooth. Like I said, they tested 2 or 3 applications with it to begin with. And then once they got the AOK from those application owners, now they're slowly rolling it out to all the other legacy applications that they have configured on their Big IPs. And plus it gives them one central location to visualize and get all the statistics and analytics for their applications.
Well, now you jinxed yourself.
Why? Why do you say that, Mike?
Because you said everything's been going smoothly.
Yes. Yeah.
So the moment you admit that in public, then that's where things go wrong.
that's when it all goes.
Wood to knock on.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So I guess Big IQ 7.1, it's out now. Find that on the download site. So if you have a license for Big IQ already, you can start playing with it. And if you don't, you can get with your F5 engineer or your account team and get licenses or whatever you might need to check that out. And I mean, it's huge to be able to bring in existing configurations and existing environments. That's something that I felt we've a key feature we didn't have in Big IQ, and I think that made it harder for people to adopt it. It's easy if you start from scratch,
absolutely.
Of course.
Yeah, absolutely. That was the case for my customer. They were okay with the idea of doing templates and templatizing, but just the amount of effort and time it would take to do that they just wouldn't do it. So now with the new capabilities of legacy, being able to bring in legacy applications, they're all about it. And also there's another new capability in 7.1 where you can actually use non-HTTP virtual servers. So you can get statistics from TCP or TCP statistics on non-HTTP virtual servers. So they're actually using that too, and they absolutely love it. So
awesome.
Fun.
Well, Coleman, any final thoughts?
No, I didn't have any beginning thoughts.
Figured I'd give you a shot. All right. Well, don't want to take up too much more time here. Other than that, thanks for coming on the show, Jeff, and we will see you next time.
all right, thank you guys, appreciate it.
Woo.
Woo.
I don't know what to do with my hands.